Alrighty guys, Daryl here doing another RYDLAR99 box break. This time we're doing a box of 2010-2011 Panini Pinnacle that ended last night on eBay. That would be June the 10th, between the times of 7:15 and 7:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The last team that was Winnipeg Jets. They ended at 7:44 and 46 seconds. Current eBay time is, so Jets slash Thrashers that is. Current eBay time is 1:16 p.m. on the 11th, so we are the next day, the next afternoon. I am live right now on RYDLAR99.tv. And if anybody ever wants to come watch me do the breaks, you are more than welcome to. The next day I usually start up around 1 o'clock. Serial number for this box is 899-17406. Remember the 406 here, and I'll just pop open the webcam as we go along here, and hopefully I'll be able to show you the box pretty quick. It just takes a second for the webcam to open up. There we go. 899-17406. Like I said, it is a sealed box of Pinnacle. I think I only have 1 or 2 boxes of Pinnacle left, and I'm done with it. Just a reminder to everybody, I do a lot of off eBay breaks if you guys want to take part. My next ones are Wednesday night. We have a 3-box mini for $15 a spot, as well as random teams, as well as a 6-box mid at $34 a spot, and that has Prime in it, as well as a bunch of other goodies. So, let's get going. Including 2 boxes of Rookie Anthology, the new one, and a bunch of other stuff. And away we go. Alrighty, checklist over there in case we need it. Base cards do not ship out of Pinnacle. What else should I say? Everything else does. Oh yes, SP Authentic. Sorry, comes out Thursday. I will have case breaks of that available for anybody who's interested on my website. They are already posted under the Open Breaks tab. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Team Pinnacle. On one side we have Mike Richards for the Philadelphia Flyers, and on the other side we have Pavel Datsyuk for the Wings. So it's going to be randomized at the end of this break. Assuming I remember my randomization. And a bunch of base there. I sometimes tend to forget the randoms. 3. For the Washington Capitals we have a Michael Nervrith saving face insert. Nervrith, Washington Capitals actually hit his 1/1 property of 1/1. Out of the cup on Sunday. 1, 2, 3. Tough times. Jerry Korab for the Buffalo Sabres. And some more base. For the Vancouver Canucks, Dufex Parallel, Daniel Sedin. And a whole bunch more base. All these cards will be shipped probably Thursday, just so everybody knows. Takes part. Artist proof for the Colorado Avalanche, John Michael Lyles. Artist proof. So there is that one. I don't have to really look for those so hard anymore. 1, 2, 3. Icebreakers, Payarvi for the Oilers. And a few more base. Pinnacle Threads for the Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Sharp. And some more base. All base in this pack, it looks like. Yep. And same for this one. 2 back to back. Dustin Brown, Dufex Parallel for the LA Kings. Brown, Kings. Big hair. And some more base. Autograph rookie, Maxime Noro, I believe. So it pops up, yep, from Minnesota Wild. Maxime Noro, autograph Icebreakers. A numbering? Yes, out of 299. One, two, three. Icebreakers. Kyle Palmieri. The Anaheim Ducks. Palmieri for the Ducks. Of course, base to finish off the pack. And so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 base cards. Oh, sliding around. Tough times, Dave Schultz for the Flyers. Stack doesn't fall over. Dufex Icebreakers Cam Fowler for the Ducks. Not a bad one. Not a bad hit for the Ducks. A bunch of base. And a bunch of base. Two, three. Icebreakers. Johanna Harju for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Is he even still in the NHL? I can't remember. Him and Olmark were supposed to come over together at one point. One, two, three, four. Pinnacle Threads. Nikolai Kulemin for the Toronto Maple Leafs. This thick pack. Decoy. Seem to go one thick with the jersey, one decoy. Three, yep. So you can tell I've opened up a lot of Pinnacle. One, two, three, four for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Authentic Threads Prime out of 25. Christopher Letang. Nice hit. Number 8 out of 25 on the back. Two-color Prime jersey. 8 out of 25. Oh, gotta wait for that to cock. And the rest, of course, in the pack is base. Autofocus on the camera sometimes doesn't catch up that fast. 1, 2, 3. Olli Jokinen for the Flames. Olli Jokinen for the Flames. There you go, autofocus. Thank you. And some more base. Sorry, just waiting for that autofocus again. Fans of the game for the Buffalo Sabres, Noreen DeWolf. Buffalo. Buffalo. 2 packs left. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Icebreakers, Jeff Skinner for the Carolina Hurricanes. Not a bad rookie. 2, 3, 4 more base. Last pack. And it's all base. That's it for the box of Pinnacle. I want to thank everyone for taking part in this break. And again, remind you, I do have 3 more boxes going tonight on eBay, as well as we have the off eBay stuff going on Wednesday night. So if you want to take part in those, again, it's the under the open breaks tab on RYDLAR99.com. All right, guys, have a good one.